Hey Teeps, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my room, I got another unboxing for you today. You're gonna say, Chris, why'd you order off Amazon this time? Basically, it's a upgrade for something for my desktop computer, basically right here. It is a air cooling system for the CPU. But I'm just going to do the unboxing. I am not going to install it today. I might not install it tomorrow. I don't know when I'm going to put it inside my case. And I hope it does fit. If it doesn't, I just have to use something different. But basically, here is the Amazon box. Basically. But can anybody guess what's in this Amazon packaging, should I say? But it's a new upgrade for my desktop computer, and we're going to take a look at it, and I'm going to see what it looks like. And I know what an air cooler does. It just cools the CPU with the fan, and basically a big giant heat pipes and stuff like that, basically. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's have some computer fun. I understand some of you are going to say, Chris, you sure got a liquid cooler instead of a air cooled system, but basically here's the difference. The liquid coolers are more expensive. This here, it was about $30 some. But let's go ahead and stop rambling and let's unbox this unit here. And let's take a look at it. I think you guys and girls are going to like it. But I hope it fits in my case. But hey, stuff. Yeah, it's upside down. Well, basically, here's the cooler I got. Awesome. Even lights up. There's the model of it. It's the name. Just wait. Well, let's get cracking this box open, should I say. And by the way, I already cut the tape and stuff too. See what Cool Master basically looks like. Alright, look at it. It's accessories. And I think, if I'm right, this must be the cooler itself. There's the cooler. There's also the instructions. And it looks like we got a bunch of different stuff in here. All sorts of mounting hardware. Looks like a tension bracket. RGB light control. Looks like we got thermopaste, plastic clips, hey, that looks pretty cool. But you guys are more interested in this bad boy, right there. I know, you guys and girls ready to see what the cooler itself looks like. Take it out of its plastic packaging. Should I say it was well packed? Should I say? Basically, here is the light up fan. It's the 120 mil fan, and it looks very good, and it also spins nicely. And basically here is your fins. Okay, here is your heat pipes. And basically here is the bottom. This is where this sits on top of your CPU to also dissipate the heat through these heat pipes, basically. It looks very nice. It looks very clean too. And you can also add a non-fan if you wanted to. And by the way, this one here does light up, basically. And just gently put that back in there for now. Set that off to the side. And basically, here's the tension bracket. Some thermal paste and some different clips. Your mounting hard oil. The back plate for Intel and AMD. And the extra fan brackets, that's nice. And your LED light control. And also your instructions. And I understand you're gonna say, Chris, are you going to make a video of installing this brand new cooler in your desktop computer? And the answer is going to be no, because one, I need all my concentration for doing this kind of stuff off camera instead of on camera itself. But if you want to see videos of how to install this unit, you can watch different vlogs and different channels on YouTube of this product itself. But basically, here's the unit I got. Looks very nice, should I say. And basically, here's some more information right here. Here's what it looks like. It looks very nice. I really do like it. But here is also the dimensions. Now this supports AMD and Intel sockets as well. Okay. Right now, you guys can see it. With some very nice specs on this cooler. Now, the one thing I'm going to do, and I normally don't do this, is look at the instructions. But this is my first time installing one of these coolers on my machine. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Well, please see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day.